I highly recommend this hotel if you're looking for an affordable staycation in Alabang. B Hotel is the answer. Hey Drelskis! We stayed at B Hotel with their standard king room with double bed. We booked this Rook for a little over 3,000 pesos. You may use my discount code para mas makamura ka pa. So the room that we are assigned to, ito yung view na makikita mo. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga dito yung mood ng room at yung masarap na kama. Meron din itong couch at side table. If kailangan mo mag-work, may work area din. Yung TV nila is smart TV, so pwede ka manood ng YouTube, Netflix, HBO, or Disney+. Dito naman tayo sa bar area. So may complimentary coffee and tea. And may kettle na rin for hot water. Plus may free water na rin. May mini fridge na rin if you need it. What I also like about our room is merong mga big cabinets for your things. May safe, free slippers, and laundry bag. Plus may bathrobe din na nakakasosyal. So punta naman tayo dun sa CR nila na pretty spacious din. There's a big mirror above the sink. Then may mga free toiletries na rin that you can use. Then there's this toilet bowl at ang importante, may bidet. Provided na rin ng towels, ang laki ng shower area. Then may shampoo and body wash na rin. For their amenities, they have a mini dipping pool, but you need to reserve your slot for you to use it, pati na rin yung gym nila. I also highly recommend if you are booking your room to add their buffet breakfast kasi ang daming options sa pwede kang pagpilian. Masarap yung food. For sure, sulit na sulit ito. Kaya naman if you're looking for a staycation place, specifically in Alabang, or you have errands around the area, I highly recommend to book your stays here at B Hotel Alabang. Cheers!